All right, it's rolling up, rolling up. What's up, what's up? Pulling up to my F150. Yo, yo. This is how the F-150 greets you when you come up. You gotta have your phone. You set your phone up to it. And pretty much it recognizes your phone. Your phone is the key, which is pretty damn cool. You can come in, put your stuff in, sit down, push the button, and you're good to go. It's a little sweet thing about the F-150. I like it. I don't gotta carry a key around, which honestly is pretty awesome for me because carrying a key around is kind of a pain. You know, it's just something else you gotta carry, plus your phone, wallet, all that stuff, you know. But yeah, F-150 is a hell of a vehicle, man. The Lightning, nothing like it, man.
The princess, like she saw.
I got this thing for 39 months, so I still got like, you know, 3 more years with this thing, and I'm actually sad thinking about, man, I ain't gonna have it after 3 years because I want this thing forever. It really is that good of a vehicle. Like, I mean, it just literally kicks ass. It is, you know, it's kicking ass, taking names. It's a badass vehicle. This car right here is fast. It hauls. It moves. I mean, I got 93% telling me I got 267 miles. I mean, I was saying 300. I drove here like 20 miles, 20 plus miles. It's just fun, man. It's quiet. The sound system's good. The system in here, this is real good. It's got wireless, you know, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It's got games and YouTubes when you're parked. You know, like, I like the sunroof. It's actually really big in the back. A lot of room. You know, you could fit easily. You know, you could fit 4 or 5 kids in the back row, no problem. You know, plus you got tons of storage. You got the storage up front. It's just, you know, so many features. I mean, it's got Blue Cruise. I don't really use it. I don't pay the subscription, but I use the adaptive cruise all the time. Lane keep assist. I love that stuff, man. It's just a nice, big, comfortable truck. It looks good. It don't look like, you know, some weird EV vehicle. So anyway, I really think it's a good vehicle, man. So if you're thinking about getting one, life is short, get it, man. I mean, if you can afford it, don't do something you can't afford. I don't want to put nobody in no financial stress, you know, blame me. But anyway, y'all have a good day, man. Take care. And I recorded this on my new Oakley Meta glasses, so these are pretty cool. I like them. My brother got them for my birthday, which is really nice of him because I know they're expensive as hell. So anyway, y'all take